This is a Dell Latitude E7470, and the battery is about 6 years old. Installed in 2016, now it's 2022. I'm going into battery information over here. You can see over here it says the health is excellent, but it's not really. These Dell batteries are known for failure. So when I get down to about 70%, this thing will the battery will just die. And I'm kind of worried about the battery kind of expanding right now due to age and usage. So I'm gonna replace it with this inexpensive generic battery which I got off of eBay. So again, let me turn this off. And this is the battery I got. Battery I got off of Amazon. Actually cost about $24, but it didn't have any reviews, so interesting. I may have to plunge this thing out. Comes with a screwdriver to open it, which is nice. I didn't know I need these kinds of tools other than a screwdriver. And here's the replacement battery. Comes with a manual too. Not sure what I need to do other than charge it, but that's what it came in. And this is what I will be installing. It might be taped on, I guess. So I might have to pull it out. This is what the new battery says. Hopefully it has the manufacture date, but it doesn't. So let's give this a try. I'm gonna put this aside. Start my disassembly. It's super easy, just 8 screws. Might as well use the screwdriver they gave me. First one over here. Pull one screw. Another one over here. Third one. Fourth one. Forgot there's one in the center. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one. I think there's one in the center. One right over here. So I have that, I can take this apart like that. Just pulled it off from the corner. And now I need to remove this battery. It has 3 screws, but I should really unplug it. It looks like the plug is this thing over here. So that's plugged out. Now I can unscrew the screws over here. One doesn't need to be screwed over there. So it looks like it's just 2 screws. But it looks like it was probably taped on, so that's why they gave me this thing over here. And my brother had mentioned something about needing tape. So now I don't need a plunger, I don't think. I can just pull it out like this. I just dropped one of the screws. So that's it. I need to reuse these screws. Here's the old one. So the manufacture date on this is 1608, I think. And looking at it, it doesn't appear to be bulging, which is a good thing, but you never know when it'll start to expand. Maybe it's a little expanded, it's hard to tell. But what I'll need to do is, I think I need to reuse this cable over here. So I'm pulling it out. And I need to pull this out. It's just pulling out. That's it. Old battery. Let me put this away. This is the new battery. So I didn't need to use a plunger, which is good. Or what do you call it? It's the wedge tool. But I need to push this back into here. Just take your time, be careful. I've never done this, so I don't know how to do it correctly. I think I got it in. Hope I didn't break anything. Now I fit this in. I need to get this in. Sorry about that. Let's do this over again. How does this go in? That's why you should take photos of stuff you do beforehand. I think it's right. And this goes over here. I'm not sure how it goes in. just pulled it out, so I'm assuming you just push it in. That's it, push it in. Oh, great. There. And now I need to put it in. Hopefully I didn't do anything too bad. This is not a tutorial, this is just me trying it without even looking at the instructions or the YouTube thingies. You should probably watch a good YouTube instructional instead of watching what I'm doing here. This is just me trying randomly. Again, this battery cost me $24. I don't know if it works well. I just got where it was cheapest. I'm not planning to use the battery for much anything other than it being there, preventing it from discharging when I'm unplugging it for a few minutes. So that's it, just screw everything up and hopefully the battery works. Moment of truth. Turn it on. Press F2 to go into BIOS. And now go to battery information. And you can see over here it says battery is excellent. So it took roughly around 10 minutes to install the battery. You probably want to watch a real tutorial video and make sure you pay attention to the little details, because I probably missed a detail here or there. This is my first time changing it, and it was pretty easy. Hopefully I didn't, expose a wire and create a fire hazard. But right now it's showing excellent. I'm going to try out the battery and see how it goes. So I changed the battery. It was at 44% for a while. And after an hour, it went down to 28%. So that's not too bad. And so that's it. I think the battery replaced is okay.